This is Gary, who owns Century Chimney, and I know it's called Century Chimney, Gary, but I also know you guys do masonry work on chimneys, don't you? You just don't clean.
Yeah, quite a bit. We do the cleanings and inspections of chimneys and fireplaces, but we also do the repairs, the tuck pointing, the rebuilding of chimneys.
Maybe you could run through this. So, I mean, cracks,
Sure.
dings, what kind of things happen to the chimneys that need repair?
Absolutely. So some chimneys are built with a brick that's somewhat porous. And so you'll see vertical cracks right in the middle of the brick. That's a sign that the chimney is porous. If the bricks are porous, they were probably fired wrong. It's common. And we can put a water repellent on the chimney. If it hasn't gone too far, we can stop that freezing and that
freeze and thaw.
The freeze and thaw and the expansion of the brick as a result. So a water repellent on the chimney will stop that. If there is some mortar missing in between the bricks on the chimney, we can do what's called tuck pointing. And we can grind out the loose mortar and replace that with something that is color matched to the mortar that you already have in your chimney.
That's nice too.
Yeah.
Cosmetic too. You got to think about those things.
Right.
Yeah.
And then if the bricks are actually loose, it may be beyond tuck pointing. And when that is the case, we need to take down a portion of the chimney, usually not all of it, almost never all of it, but sometimes to the roof line down and replace those bricks. Again, just like we would match the color of the mortar, we will match the bricks to the best of our abilities.
That's great.
Sometimes we'll even take the customers to the brickyard if they want to see.
Oh, really? That's it's kind of fun, actually.
Yeah, so they can pick out which brick they want. And there are chimney crowns on top of a chimney. That's a layer of concrete that goes around the top of the chimney.
Okay.
And it's a ramp. It sheds water away from the chimney so that your chimney does not leak, and at least not from that point.
Yeah.
And so we can either repair the crown, replace it. We have coatings that we use that will last longer than concrete to cover the crown and make it last a very, very long time, maybe longer than you like.
I know you guys have been doing this since like 1980.
1989 is when I started.
That's
a
lot of, and you're centrally located too, right? I mean, you're able to get to a lot of cities around the Cleveland, Cuyahoga area.
Yeah, we can get to Avon Lake over in Lorain County. We can get over to Mentor in Lake County, Chardon in Geauga County, Akron is that Summit County?
Yeah, down Summit.
And everything in Cuyahoga County. We can get to most homes in about 30 minutes.
That's great.
So when you type in chimney sweep near me, chimney repair near me, we'll show up.
Yeah, that's great. Hey, if you need them to show up, if you got something wrong with your chimney, or maybe you just want your chimney checked out or cleaned, these guys do it all and do a pretty good job. So stop by centurychimney.com and check them out, and maybe set up a meeting and an inspection. And Gary'd be happy to take care of it. So
absolutely.
Good. Thanks a lot for watching.